Hi, I'm Bier and welcome to Thai in 2 minutes here on Buzzin' Patio, the show where I will teach you all the important words that you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hey guys, welcome back to Thai in 2 minutes here on Buzzin' Patio. I'm Bier and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about drinks and ice with no ice.
Okay, Bier, so if I want to get a drink, let's think, so how do I order a glass? So if I want a glass?
Gao.
Gao.
A glass is gao. So if you want to order a glass, you'd have to say "Kho gao" and then cup or ka, whichever sex you are.
Okay, Kho gao, cup or ka.
Yes.
Okay, and if I would like some ice?
Ice. So ice is nam kang.
Nam keng.
Nam kang. So
Okay.
you say nam kang doi cup or ka.
Nam keng, doi,
Doi,
cab,
cup,
and then
or
car. Okay, and if I don't want any ice?
ไม่เอาน้ำแข็งครับค่ะ
Okay, so Mao Nam Keng.
Yeah.
Okay, and obviously there you've got a bottle of Coke. How do you say bottle?
Also ขวด
Quart.
ขวด Yeah.
Quart. So anything in a bottle you'd say
Quart.
Coke quart, or do you say quart Coke? How do I say that?
โค้กขวด
Coke quart.
โค้กขวด or น้ำ this is water so
Yep.
น้ำขวด
Nam quart. Okay, and once I'm ready to leave and I want to pay my bill, how would I say how much is that, please? How much?
เท่าไหร่
Tao rai.
ครับ or ค่ะ
Okay, so Tao rai cab, Tao rai gang. Obviously, in the previous lessons we mentioned cab and car is to do with male or female.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So let's just recap on that then. So glass,
แก้ว
ice,
น้ำแข็ง
bottle,
ขวด
and how much?
เท่าไหร่ Alright guys, that's me for today. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications of my next episode. If you have any words that you're uncertain of, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thank you and goodbye.